Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to make Instagram private. We will start by opening our Instagram app and entering our profile. Then, click on the top drop-down menu and then on Settings and Privacy. Then click on the Account Privacy option. Here we can activate the private account option with the switch. You will have to confirm the action by clicking on Switch to Private Account. From this moment on, your account will be private and only your followers will be able to see your content. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.